Mysto, we believe in purity in every slice. That's why our bread is crafted with love, using the finest ingredients and without a drop of palm oil.
This is North Bites Private Limited, and I am Bhautik Makadia, founder and managing director and a BTech food engineer. Excitingly, we are launching our first brand, Mysto. Under Mysto, we are introducing different kind of breads, pav, kulcha, pizza base, and burger bun.
I am Preet Kalaria, BTech food technologist, also a co-founder of North Bites Private Limited. At Mysto, quality will meet professionals who will look after a healthy and innovative baked product. Each and every ingredients are selected in such a way that it don't harm human gut.
Our commitment to excellence starts at the source. We source our wheat from sustainable farms, ensuring every grain is bursting with natural goodness. Every loaf we bake maintains the highest standards of hygiene, ensuring that what reaches your table is nothing short of perfect. Every step of the process, from mixing to baking, is meticulously monitored and is completely automated. We offer more than 18 categories of products. Mysto is pure, honest, and delicious. Because we don't just bake bread, we bake moments where you can say, full feeling hai.
I am Hansal Koradia, the director of North Bites Private Limited. My role is to look forward for all the financial data and the distribution channel. The main thing is to distribute the baked goods in the market at a valuable time and in proper condition. We at Mysto personally cares for that, so the consumer should not feel the dissatisfaction.